Just now, the European Space Agency ESA officially released the latest and most authoritative images of the first interstellar comet, 3I Atlas. This footage was captured by ESA's Mars Express and the Mars Trace Gas Orbiter TGO from October 1st to 7th in orbit above Mars. A decisive moment. Lauma, the presenter, delivered, as expected, this official content to everyone immediately. No more talk. Let's look at the object first. Yes, that's it. In this animation captured by TGO's Cassis camera, we can clearly see a slightly blurred white light point moving downwards against a starry background. This white point is the most real image of Comet 3I Atlas we can see right now. While everyone's attention is still focused on those messy, questionable videos circulating online. This is the authoritative bomb. So what did they capture this time? I've summarized ESA's official interpretation for you. First, this video confirms the true form of 3I Atlas. This white dot is the core region of the comet. It is composed of two parts. The *** nucleus ***, which is the comet's body, a dirty snowball made of ice, rock, and dust, and the *** coma ***, a huge cloud of gas and dust surrounding the nucleus, which may reach thousands of kilometers in diameter. What we see is this giant coma cloud. This directly proves that 3I Atlas is an *** active comet *** currently being activated by the Sun, and not a lifeless rock. Secondly, it answers to core questions. Where is the nucleus? The answer is ***, it can't be seen, ***, because the distance is simply too far. Even TGO's precise camera cannot separate the nucleus from the coma. ESA's experts made a brilliant analogy. Trying to clearly see its nucleus is as impossible as trying to distinguish a mobile phone on the surface of the Moon from Earth. So where is the long-promised tail? The answer is ***, it hasn't grown yet, ***. The tail is blown out by the solar wind, and its brightness is much dimmer than the coma. At the distance in early October, its brightness was insufficient to be photographed. Scientists predict it will become more active as it gets closer to the Sun. At that time, we might be able to see its signature tail. I know you might be a little disappointed seeing this image. It's not as cool as in sci-fi movies. No alien spacecraft, no jet thrusters. But the difficulty behind capturing these few short seconds of footage is unimaginable. But don't worry, ESA should have high-definition images later. And Lauma will update you as soon as possible. Let's look at this observation again. This time was a huge challenge for both scientists and the probes. The first challenge, the target is extremely faint. ESA's principal investigator, Nicholas Thomas, personally explained that this was an extremely challenging observation for the instruments. This comet is 10,000 to 100,000 times fainter than the targets we usually observe. What does that mean? It's like asking you to use a camera specialized for daytime landscapes to accurately capture a distant firefly in the dark night. The second challenge, the equipment is not specialized. The cameras on TGO and Mars Express were primarily tasked with photographing the brightly lit Martian surface, a few hundred kilometers below. Now their mission is to look up at a deep space target almost devoid of light, 30 million kilometers away. This is like asking a top sprinter to run a marathon. It's a cross-disciplinary, extreme operation. The third challenge, a test of the probe's performance. It was under these extreme conditions that TGO's long 5-second exposure time paid off, successfully pulling out the comet's signal. Mars Express was not so lucky. Due to its camera's maximum exposure time of only 0.5 seconds, the comet couldn't be distinguished in the preliminary images. But this doesn't mean failure. Scientists are now stacking the data to try and extract a clearer image from the noise. So, the brief moment we see is a scientific feat accomplished by scientists overcoming numerous difficulties under almost impossible conditions. Therefore, this footage from ESA is the ultimate verdict on this event. It acts like a scientific spotlight, dispelling all the fog and presenting us with the closest appearance to the truth. With this, we can use this undeniable evidence to look back at the cosmic myths originating from Earth and draw our own conclusions. Finally, let's talk about something interesting. We mentioned that the tail will appear when it gets closer to the sun. How long do you think this tail will be? Will it be longer than Earth's diameter? Also, some are curious if it could be a spaceship, although the ESA footage confirms it's a comet. Let's use our imagination. If there were an interstellar spacecraft, do you think it would pass by discreetly, wrapped in a coma like 3i Atlas? Let's chat in the comments.